Hello mga auntie like me! Another day in Kyrgyzstan. And today, papunta na tayo sa Supara, Chungkurchak. Doon kami mag-check-in for a night. And we will be experiencing the snow again, of course. And then, the horse ride where I am really excited. So, mountain province, parang mountain province siya ng Kyrgyzstan. Ayan. Everywhere is snow, everywhere is white. So, sobrang dream come true na to for me. Actually, na-stuck kami dito. Yung car, hindi niya na kaya yung snow. Hindi niya siguro na-predict na ganito kapal yung snow. So, yung nabook namin sa Yandex is maliit and hindi niya talaga kayang umakyat na ng bundok. Kaya sabi niya, ililipat niya kami sa first car na dadaan. So, good thing and thanks God na yung dumaang car is going to Supara as well, to the same resort. Kaya, pinahitch nila kami and actually we offered them a bayad. Kaso tinanggihan nila and even we offered them dinner. Tapos sabi nila hindi na daw. And we were really blessed na dumaan sila. And this is the view from the reception and that's the map ng resort. So they have forest cabins as well and we decided to stay sa yurt. Ayan. Ang ganda. And yes, of course, before I have to enjoy the first snowfall na na-experience ko. First agad. First ulit. I mean, everything is first. So medyo nakaka-adjust na ako sa lamig. And look at the view. My goodness. Ang ganda. Diba? My God. And umikot-ikot muna kami kasi hindi pa ready yung room namin. Maaga kaming dumating. So, let's go and check around the resort. So, we will be staying sa taas. Yurt yung tawag dyan. Maraming mga ganyan daw dyan sa Kyrgyzstan kasi the people likes to move around. So, they like to stay in a yurt kasi mas mabilis daw ilipat than concrete or mga wooden na mga bahay. So, yan, we're walking around, checking the place. Yan yung mga cottages sa woods. Actually, we initially booked this. And then, good thing na may vacant yung yurt, kaya lumipat kami doon. And it's also a nice place actually. Pero mas gusto ko dong overlooking. Kasi mas maliwanag, at least, we supposed to stay 2 days here, 1 dun sa yurt, at saka 1 dito. Kaso, wala naman masyadong ibang gawin. Kaya, 1 night na lang kami nagstay. And here I am again, enjoying, isip bata. My goodness, ang saya-saya ko talaga dyan. Well, in general, masaya talaga ako pag namamasyal, pag nag-i-experience ng kung ano-ano. So, yan, ini-enjoy ang moment. Ganun lang. Yan naman yung mga take-away natin pag nagta-travel tayo, diba? Making fun, enjoying, and yeah, gagawa daw ako ng snowman. First snowman ko. So, good luck if mabigyan natin ng justice.
Now it looks like nipple.
And charan! This is my snowman, diba? Ganda! Nakakatawa yung snowman ko, malnourished. So, it's time for us to check in. I mean, to go inside our room. Yes, this is the yurt. And mayroong nag-help sa amin to carry our stuff. And yes, this is what's inside the yurt. They have 2 beds. Actually, 3. Nandun yung isa sa parang sala nila. And there's a chimney. Kasi ang lamig-lamig naman siguro sa gabi. And here it is. Yan, may pa-table sila. They have coffee. And parang maliit na sala nila to, which is also a bed. And let's check outside. So, technically, you can fit like 6 people dito sa 5 to 6 people. So, ayan. This is the view ng aming yurt. Ayan. Look at that view. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Oh my goodness. Wala akong ibang naramdaman kundi gratefulness talaga sa puso ko. So these are the two beds. Yung isa good for 2 and isa good for 1. And yes, you can also open the curtain and see outside kasi wala masyadong lighting sa loob. And it's a good idea to save energy. Ayan. So let's... Toilet. Ah, huge. Oh, nice. At least they have this. And I need bidet. No bidet! No bidet! Sinisipon na ako. And nagpahinga muna kami saglit. And finally, we're going back on track. Iikot na naman kami ulit. And we will go for the horse ride! Hi, you're already up?
Yeah, say hello.
Hello.
I got slow when I was here. And then here. Oh my god. I'm excited. Oh my god. Thank you. How to stop it? Okay. And the journey began. Slowly. My goodness, hindi ko na maalala yung last time na sumakay ako ng horse. I think, ano pa yon, sa Lambak pa, sa Sultan Kudarat. Kasi yung brother ko, mayroong horse. Naalala ko, mayroon kaming isang horse sa kapatid ko. And minsan, nakikisakay din sa ibang tao. Yun kasi yung mode of transportation dati sa Lambak. Horse, pag pupunta ka sa isang bayan or sa isang barangay, sasakay ka ng horse pag medyo malayo, ganyan. So, that was the experience na meron ako sa horse. And finally, I'm able to experience it again. But this time, for pleasure naman. So, we will be having, 1-hour horse riding tour sa area. And we paid 3,000. Pera nila, 3,000 some. Yeah, 1,000 for the tour guide, 1,000 for each horse. Ayan, so we paid 3,000. And ang cute ng dog, kasama namin dog ng tour guide namin. And here, let's go and explore the world. The universe rather. Oh my God, I never imagine na magkakaroon ako ng ganitong experience. Riding a horse in the middle of the snow. Diba? Look at that. Walang sun. Ayun, super liit. But it's okay. This is another experience sa buhay. So, hindi naman masyadong malamig. Tignan mo lang ma-snow, pero hindi naman ako nilalamig. So, carry lang. My goodness, I'm so happy. Yung mga ganitong experience talaga nagpapahappy sa akin. Hindi naman nakakaila, di ba? So, nag-stop muna kami para makakuha ako ng ganitong video, yung hindi magalaw. Kasi I really want to treasure this moment. Ang ganda ng view, my goodness. Minsan lang to sa buhay, kaya todo na. So, this is Supara from afar. Ayan, look.